Hey everybody, Betsy here at Tonkadale. I am back to talk to you about more bugs. We are out here on the south side of our greenhouse where we have our incredible Sunbeckia that are absolutely covered in life right now. There are so many beneficial insects out here, aside from bees and butterflies, are really working hard today. We have soldier beetles out here. Those are excellent pollinators. We have syrphid flies, 2 or 3 different varieties. We have our honeybees from the back 40. And if you were to look at this and just stand here and listen, it's absolutely humming with activity. And this is a great example of a technique that we have referred to often, where you're planting in a band of color so that the insects can really gather and see the flowers. They are really working hard this morning. There are so many soldier beetles here. All of their larvae are going to eat other eggs and larvae of insects. They're going to do the work really kind of at the soil level, so you're not going to see them. But if you saw one of these on your flowers at home, you might think, uh-oh, what is he up to? He's up to no good. They're orange, so that really can kind of signal, maybe I'm a bad bug. They're really not. They're completely harmless. If you see them, there is no action needed. They are pollinating and they are mating to produce the next generation of soldier beetles. In addition to the soldier beetles, there are hoverflies out here. The hoverflies are going to do a lot in terms of pollination. Some of them are parasitic, so they are preying on our bad bugs. So another beneficial insect we have out here is going to be the banded dronefly. It really could be easily mistaken for a wasp. They are non-aggressive. They are not interested in you, so again, no action needed. They're out here as a pollinator to help control the bad bug population, and they deserve proper credit where credit is due, right? Just a reminder, it is not too late to drive the pollinator-friendly plants in your garden. You can make some mid-season, late-season additions. If you build it, they will come. This is my best suggestion for diversifying the pollinators in your yard. They love plants like this with large blooms, lots of nectar and pollen. We want to know what insects you're seeing in your yard, on your flowers, the things that you've planted and the things that you are seeing lots of pollinator activity on. Let us know in the comments. We are always here to answer questions. If you need help identifying an insect, send us a photo, hello@tonkadale.com, or you can stop in and visit us. Thanks for watching. See you at Tonkadale.